Hi, my name is Palle Becker Jeppesen. I'm a professor in gastroenterology and intestinal failure at Rigshospitalet in Copenhagen, Denmark. I'm a physician devoting my time to clinical activities, but actually mainly research within intestinal failure. Currently, we are facing a situation of cost saving, and this is becoming an issue in intestinal failure units as well. So suddenly, the optimal care that we have been able to provide for these patients for decades is under challenge. So in order to provide this excellent care, we need to maintain our resources. If I could change two things, this would be introducing treatments that would reduce the frequency and occurrence of catheter-related infections in these patients. We have the opportunity these days to use catheter locks, and I'm convinced that this will do a lot of benefit to these patients. Number two is the issue about liver problems in these patients with intestinal failure who receives parenteral support. We need to dedicate more resources to figure out to keep these patients alive without attracting IFALT. The IF Day is an excellent opportunity to increase the awareness of this rare, often neglected organ failure.